Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Today is an epic day. We are at the FC Tulsa Championship game.
And we're so excited.
Yes, and if they win today, this will be Tulsa's first ever championship. Woo! Let's go adventuring.
Checking out the merch.
Oh, that's cool.
That is cool.
Western Conference champions memorabilia.
That's amazing.
What do you think so far?
I think the energy is amazing right now. People are getting so excited. Everybody's happy to be here.
We're headed up to the refinery deck.
We've never been up here before. This is cool. Where do we go?
Wherever you want, and then we have our reserved seats down there.
Oh, let's see where our seats are.
It is an early game. It's 11 a.m. Match time today, so that's why we've got breakfast. I don't know if this is going to change throughout the game as it goes into the afternoon or not, because we've never done this before. Well, we made it to our seats. What do you think?
This is a really good view. I'm glad we went with these tickets.
I can't wait for the game to start. That guy just catches everything. Their goalie is the MVP for their team. We just went through the first extra period. I've never been in a soccer game before. I think that's gone into extra time.
Is that 2 overtimes?
Yeah, this is about, we're going to start our second overtime, and then I think after that it's penalty kicks.
I'm not a soccer professional, so I don't know all the rules.
I don't know, but we'll see.
Yeah.
That didn't end how we wanted it to.
My stomach is upset.
But great year to FC Tulsa. We will definitely be back for some games next season. Man, that was a crushing way to go out. But it was such a good game. Adventurers, this concludes our time here at the FC Tulsa game.
If you enjoy this adventure and want to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can see a new video every Friday, and head over to Facebook and Instagram and follow us there as well.
We'll see you on our next adventure.